Is buying cryptocurrencies taxable, and how about the profit that you've made? It's a great question, and let's see what the answer is. I'm Jessica, welcome back to another Bitpanda Academy episode. Now, this question is a tough one to answer, and it will really vary depending on where you're based in the world. In most countries, the mere act of buying cryptocurrencies and often spending cryptocurrencies can really be considered a taxable event by law, and like any transaction involving a commodity. So in the short answer to whether you have to pay taxes when selling Bitcoin, it's yes. In almost all countries, you have to pay tax on the trade of most commodities. The regulatory framework for taxation of crypto actually differs from country to country. Of course, when you're buying Bitcoin or any other crypto, it doesn't really trigger any taxation. It's only upon selling your assets. And it really gets quite complicated as every country has its own legislation. We really strongly advise you to actually contact your personal tax advisor for further information about your individual situation. But here's what we can tell you today. So buying a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin on a platform like Bitpanda with fiat currency is a very easy process. But things get more complicated once you transfer your cryptocurrency from one exchange to the other into a different cryptocurrency. In most countries, this act is even considered taxable by law, like any other transaction, meaning that you will have to pay taxes because the event produces capital gains or losses. And spending cryptocurrencies is also a potentially taxable event, which again depends on the country you live in and the respective regulations. In Austria, cryptocurrencies are considered private assets. Therefore, profits from the sale of cryptocurrencies are tax relevant. Such profits then become taxable if you buy and sell cryptocurrencies with a 1-year period. It may also therefore be a really good strategy to buy and hold cryptocurrencies for at least 1 year. The following events are considered a sale of cryptocurrency under Austrian law. If you exchange a cryptocurrency into fiat currency, such as the euro or the US dollar, and you'll pay a cryptocurrency service when you exchange one cryptocurrency for another or for another crypto-related asset. One really important element is to keep track of your portfolio. You should really be keeping track of the cryptocurrencies you've bought for a number of reasons, such as making sure that you record your transactions for your taxes correctly. I'd actually suggest you create a spreadsheet and add all the details you need for taxes right once you buy, trade, or sell. There's no such thing as too much information. You can either keep track of your transactions manually or download them on your trade history on file on your personal Bitpanda profile to import all relevant information into your spreadsheet. While I hope you found this video useful, Bitpanda will be releasing much more content like this, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the content.